You want more French fries?
Mine was overflowing too.
You still have some?
I have a lot left. Hi.
Hi. When did you go through school?
May 31st.
So you're out before her.
Yeah.
A long time.
You're out when Michelle gets off.
On my birthday.
Man, how come you're so long?
I don't know.
That's almost 2 weeks after them.
I go back August 9, and she goes back August 20 something.
So they make it up that way.
Yeah. What?
I'm trying to eat. No one needs to hear about your gassiness. Is that a word? Is gassiness a word? Why
Grandma,
does it look so
Kelly, you want more food?
I'm stuffed. I ate a burger and fries and onion rings.
I know, but you must have given me all the leftover fries and onion rings.
No, I didn't. I just was eating them.
I can't eat those.
Well, guess who shouldn't have ordered them then? You.
I didn't order the big box like that.
I said small. Right?
I hate to see what their big is.
I hate to see what your big is.
Even the onion rings. You want onion rings?
Grandma, I'm full. I'm not eating more. Hey, Ace family.
Stop recording, Alexis.
Are you recording under the table?
What?
Why are you recording? Oh.
Never mind teaching them their words like that.
What words?
You know what I'm talking about. But I just saw you say.
What?
What?
Never mind. I'm not going to repeat it.
What was the word?
I'm not going to repeat
Just
it.
lip it. Did I tell you guys any words you don't know?
No.
Oh, I'm sure of that.
Then I'm not teaching it to them. They already knew it.
Maybe.
Dab on it. You would think you're drunk, dude.
What are you doing? Are you burping again?
What? That was her snorting. Gee, throw me under the bus. I have manners.